Hello traders, Jay here. I just wanted to pop in here and do a quick analysis of Amazon, and I think I'm gonna do analysis of Shopify as well, just to see where these two e-commerce big giants are looking to move to into this week. All right, so when we look at Amazon on the weekly chart, we can see, man, this thing had a very nice run, and then from here we are into this consolidation zone on the weekly chart. All right, so from here, after we've analyzed this or identify this on the weekly, now we switch to the daily chart and see where exactly will this thing go. And from past performance, we can see that 2900 right there is the absolute pretty much bottom for this stock, and the absolute top is gonna be between 3,500 up here, because boom, boom. And what is very important about this is that it looks pretty much a lot like the S&P 500, with the exception that the S&P 500 is pretty much breaking new highs and moving higher. But we have right now, this is what we have: pull back to the support, we bounce here, pull back. Typically this pattern come back down here and give us the 1-2 tap and then move higher, but that's not what we're having right now. We just have the pullback here, bounce, pull back again, and this leg is very critical, because if we can break back above the EMA and the SMA, then this is pretty much setting up to pull back down a minimum to the 3,000 level, and then we see where it goes from there. Is it going to pull back down to the absolute support? That is 100% possible. But right now, this was pretty much a failure at the EMA and the 50 SMA, but we did not get a confirmation that this selling is going to continue. So in order for us to 100% know if this pattern is going to break down and continue going down, or this is going to just this is going to break back above this level and continue moving higher, we do need one more day. But right now, just based on this pattern that I'm seeing right here, looks like we will end up failing at the EMAs and push back down. Okay, given that we're not able to break back above these yet. That's one way of looking at it, like I said. And the second way is that this can just continue moving higher. So I'll be cautious right here in this level, because it's not very clear as to where this thing is going to go right now. If you're looking at it for a potential new entry, I'd definitely consider somewhere down here at the 3,000 level that it came the last couple of times. And from there we can pretty much take a play. When it comes to taking a play right here, this is like a 50-50 trade right here, because we're right in the middle of the support and the resistance, and the stock can literally go either direction. All right, so if we quickly look at Shopify, the story is pretty much the same here, guys. We see this thing in a very nice consolidation. When we pull back to the support, we get a nice run. Support, nice run. Now we are still kind of pulling back. Okay, so until it comes down here, bounce and give us the confirmation that we're leaving, there's nothing to do right here right now with this specific stock. I do want to point out that for some reason it does look like Walmart and Target is catching air, because Amazon and Shopify is pulling back, but Walmart is testing the all-time high, looking to potentially cut and move higher. So you have to ask yourself, is the question that investors feel like at least in the short term those are overdone, and they want to get in on the next up, which is potentially Walmart, potentially Target? That's just one way I'm looking at it. So I hope you find some value in this video, and welcome to the community.